back with another one. Yeah, so the dance we're gonna be doing is Mnike, the song taking over the world, the song of the year, song of the century. Mnike, yeah. So the first step with Mnike is jumping. You know how to jump, just jump. Yes, so now you jump, but you cross your legs, right? So you jump, right? Yeah, so basically it's like you put this here and this here, and then you slide it back. Yeah, so it's right? So that's step. Are you still with us? Okay, that's step. So now you jump, and then you stay here, and then like you go 1, 2, right? So you like. No, but put effort, like. Yes, with a little bit of effort. But I put more effort than she does. Like she's lazy. First step, ne? So it's, and then you bring it back, like, and then what? You bring this leg back. Just like that. So now we're moving on. So it's 1, 2. 1, 2. And so it's, and then back, and then 1, 2. Go! Okay. And then from 1, 2. You just repeat the same thing basically, but now you do it with your hands. You 1, 2, okay? So it's 1, 2, 1, 2. Just like that. Okay, and then from 1, 2, you like, come on. Yeah, and then like after you go in slow motion, like like yeah. Okay, so from the beginning, let's go. 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah! That's the one! Next step. So after going slow motion, you like. And then glitch, the famous glitch. You just glitch. So glitching basically, you are vibrating. You're vibrating your body. I don't know how you prefer to do it. You can just do it with your shoulders. Some like raise their leg or something. Just vibrate, however you can. Vibrate.
He said however I can.
Okay. So now we're gonna take it from the top, and then up until we vibrate, okay? Let's go. You're the fucking boss! You're the fucking man, Wena! Okay. So, last step. We almost start. Last step. After vibrating, you wait. There's a pause. After vibrating, you pause, And then kick. Thank you. Okay, so with regards to the kick, I don't know, you just kick. It's a simple kick, like it's a kick. Like kick, just kick however you can. Just kick. Kick at someone, kick something, just kick. That's it. So you put like energy, effort, like raise your leg, no, don't do this. Don't do what she's doing. She was like, no, don't do this. Like you must open. This must be like, yes. So you kick. you. And then the next time after kicking, you go down. Ne? And then like you must bend. You must be like this. Goes.
I bend.
Not bend. Bend. Be straight. This must be yes. And then you go back. 1, 2, 1, 2. And then that's it. Ne? And then if like you can't do this, like just start here. It's like that's basically what you are doing. But you're doing it down. Like and then you add sauce, you add some spice, you add and then that's it. That's Mnike. Now you can go and show off. You can go show off to your friends. You can see where the best ends. Now let's do it with music.